Alright guys, this is Trish the Dish 34 and we're at my local Dairy Queen. We're gonna get the new Guardian Blizzard that's out, so let's see.
Hi, thanks for choosing us at Dairy Queen. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Hi, can I have a small Guardian Blizzard?
Okay.
That'll be all.
Okay, it's gonna be $3.50.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, you guys are gonna get the first dibs on what this tastes like. I'm excited. Oh, my turn. My car's low. Record. Alright guys, so I got the Guardian of Galaxy Volume 2 only in theaters. I guess it's in theaters right now. Alright, so first of all, I'm not sure what's in this, but I'm going to do a little taste test and find out. Let's do a zoom in there. My camera husband over there. Alright. Let's test this out. They kind of bury your spoon in there. Let's see. What's in this, Nick?
There is cookie pieces, there's cookie dough, there's chocolate, and there's ice cream.
I just got a piece of cookie dough. And you know, I'm not a big cookie dough fan. Like all my life I haven't liked it. But that was pretty good right there. This is a small size. It's pretty big for small. There's a cookie piece right there. It's really, you gotta really chew out. It's really cold, obviously, it's ice cream. I don't know about your Dairy Queen, but our Dairy Queen tends to skimp on the toppings. So, there's not like a ton in it, but we're just at the surface. Whew, it's cold, guys. It's really cold. I want you guys to comment if you've tried this or if you have anything that you want me to review. I will gladly go out and do that. Woo! Nick, you're gonna have to help me eat this. Don't stop. Alright. If I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 5. I mean, look, there's not that much toppings that you see in that little hole that I've dug. But I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 5. Because it's good, but like I'm not overjoyed. You know, like, it's definitely good. Like if you want to try something new, you know, the new thing. I'm trying to see something. Cause I've dug an even deeper hole, and there's still not a lot of toppings. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. Nick, what would you rate it? You've had this before.
I would rate it maybe a 3.5 out of 5.
Alright. And as you can see, according to my hand, I mean, this is a really, really good amount for small. And that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you subscribe, leave me comments, and let me know if you've had this and what you think. Have a good day.